Yo, what's up guys? Justin here for another video. Now if you're reading the title, yes, oh yes, it's true, I took delivery of another car. It's not, I'll explain it when I get outside and show you guys, but anyways, I'm about to go grab the key to the car. It's extremely hot outside, so if you don't like sweaty people, well, you probably should just go ahead and click off the video. Cause yeah, it's gonna be hot as hell. So anyways, I'm about to go outside and go show you guys the new car. Let's get to it. Shit. Here's the key. It's a little broken. Sadly, it's not this Accord right here. Yeah. Okay, so let me give you a little backstory on the car. First of all, I clickbaited you. It's not my car. It's not my car. It's Deja's car. You've seen Deja in the videos before. It's her car, and well, it's got a few issues. Let me take you on the grand tour. Boom. Door should be open. Boom. Here it is. It's a 94 EG. As you can see, it's a little rough. It runs like shit. Okay, so the backstory on this car. So she got the car. When she first got the car, it had like a few things wrong with it that we weren't really too sure of. The guy Angel, who helped us do the coilovers yesterday, well, on the last video on Jamar's car, he had the car. He got it in a trade for something, so he really wasn't using it or anything. So he wanted to sell it. She needed the car. She brought it. And now she has it. He changed the power steering line that was leaking. It needed a fuel filter, it needed spark plugs, it needed wires. We changed the distributor, all that stuff, and it still runs like shit. So when we drove it here yesterday, which was like one of the worst drives on a car that I've ever done before, we drove it here yesterday, it's running rough, like it's running really bad. So we came to the conclusion that it might be bad gas that we got from this like really crappy gas station, but I don't believe so, because when we got the gas from the gas station, it was running just fine. And when we drove it to this other dude's house, Ben, that we know, it was running just fine. Then when we were about to go over there, it started messing up. So when we drove it back over here to my house yesterday from Ben's house, it just ran rough. And I noticed that the check engine light was on. So this is a 94, which means it's OBD1. You can't just take it to AutoZone and get the check engine light checked. What you gotta do, it's a little wire over here, that wire that's sticking out over there with that paper clip in it. You gotta jump that wire, which is what I do with the paper clip. And you gotta jump that wire, and you turn the key to like on, not the car on, but like the last ignition position. And the check engine light will flash. If it's a 2-digit code, it'll like blink, so like that'll be 2, and then it'll like blink faster, so like let's say it blinks 5 times, it'll be 25. This one blinked 9 times, and when I looked it up, it's coming up for pretty much the crankshaft position sensor. So honestly, I don't think it's bad gas. I think it's the crankshaft position sensor that's causing all these problems, because the same symptoms for bad gas is like, you know, rough accelerations, you know, not starting, stalling or whatever. And it's the same situation if it was a bad crankshaft position sensor. So honestly, that's what I think it is. It should turn on. Let me let you guys listen to it. See how the light is blinking? You count how many times it blinks, and that's your code. But since I already did it, I'll just pull that out, but keep that just in case. So yeah, let's see if it turns on. Runs rough and it has an exhaust leak, so yeah. Give it a little gas. So you can hear it's like misfiring, and it sounds like it's running on 3 cylinders, but it drives like it's running on 1 cylinder, to be completely honest. Like, Angel has sent me the pictures of like the plug wires had got stuck to the spark plug somehow, and it was just really stupid. Like, this car has been a bitch, like literally an entire bitch. I mean, I feel like honestly if we fix this like issue right here, it'll be a decent car, honestly, you know, but it's just got a lot of shit with it. Yeah, guys, this is yeah, this is it. So you can hear that was a little rough. If we can figure out if it is that crankshaft position sensor, I don't know how hard it is to change on this shit. It'll probably be pretty difficult to change. But if it is that, then this car would be solid. You know what I mean? It's got a new fuel filter, plugs, wires, distributor, ECU, whatever else. Car, before she got it, had been sitting since like a long time. For a while, I forgot how long he said. Yeah, it just needs to figure out that issue. You know, it's all registered and shit, but yeah, it's just, I don't know. I honestly don't know. It's just a little turd. Anyways, on to more sexier topics. Like my Integra, the other day I got that side skirt from a friend Ben and another fender. This fender is still a little fucked up, but man, does it look so much better. I cannot wait to paint this shit. But it's still like, it's dented right here. So like, it looks like my hood is dented up when in fact the fender is like pushed in. And it's like a gap right here, but that's more probably my door. That irritates me. And it rubs on here a little bit. So like when you open the door, it like barely hits that. So yeah, and my side skirt. Because if you remember, I said in a couple videos back that the other one fell off. I've got to go to the junkyard to get some clips. It's like 5 clips that clip underneath it. Because for some reason, this side is like loose. It's always loose. And that's how the other one fell off. And when you go to this side doesn't have the clips in it at all either. It's not loose. So I do have a screw in the front of this one. I don't have one on that side in the front. I just have a zip tie, because I couldn't find the screw hole for that side. So I'll probably go to the junkyard, I might sell them off at EG, and get the clips for this so it won't be as like loose, so it won't fall off again. And I put a door pin back in so my door is like super duper stiff and it doesn't swing all the way out anymore. So yeah, that's pretty much all today's video is going to consist of. I don't have anything to do. This Integra is extremely reliable, which is the main reason why I wanted another Integra, because they're extremely reliable. And I guess I just don't have luck with Civics. So yeah, I really wanted to go. It's just like a little lake thing up the street from my house that I did the video out of Riddell's car.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas that shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga, move back.
I wanted to go up there and take some pictures, but my car, well, not my car, but it's just too hot. It's too hot. So I really don't feel like going up there. Plus, it's probably gonna be people go up there to like fish and stuff, and I want to take pictures, you know. So yeah, that's going to end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I really just made this video because I don't have anything else to do. Like I said, this car is just extremely reliable. So it's hard, honestly. I don't have any money to buy parts, so it's just like whatever, you know. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to drop me a like. Drop a like, please. It really helps me. And go ahead and comment something nice or something not so nice. And follow my Instagram. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.
So not tell me how to feel. Let me show you something that's real, huh? 2 or 3 young niggas killed, huh? Hopped out, they took my lil one. I mean, really, let me tell you how it feels. They said it was a shooter, got shot down. Gotta keep a ooze on the block now. Keep a bad memory when the cops round. Live life, stone cold, he don't